Hey guys, today we'll be doing integers. We'll be adding integers, we'll be subtracting, we'll be multiplying, and we'll be dividing. Integers are negative and positive. As you can see on this number line, the 0 is in the center of the number line. On the right of the number line are positive numbers, and on the left are negative integers. For example, question 1. 3 times 4 is equal to 12, obviously. Question 2. What is negative 3 times 4? We already know that 3 times 4 is 12. We can also write this equation as negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3. Therefore, the answer will be equal to negative 12. Then what will 3 multiplied by negative 4 be? We already know that 3 times 4 is 12. We can also write this equation as negative 4 plus negative 4 plus negative 4. And that will also give us negative 12. Question 4. What is negative 3 multiplied by negative 4? We already know that 3 times 4 is 12. What is 12 divided by negative 3? That will give us 4 all over negative 1, which will give us negative 4. Because 4 divided by negative 1 is 4. Therefore, negative 3 times negative 4 will equal 12. Because as you can see, the answer will be negative. As we can see here in question 1, a positive multiplied by a positive will give you a positive. In question 2, a negative plus a multiplied by a positive will give you a negative. And that goes the same for question 3. Question 4, we can see that a negative multiplied by a negative will give you a positive. Now let's get on with adding and subtracting integers. So question 1. 2 minus negative 5. As you can see in this question, there are two negatives next to each other. We also know that a negative multiplied by a negative is a positive. Therefore, the equation will be written as 2 plus 5. Therefore, the answer will be plus 7. Another example question that we can also do is negative 2 plus 5. As you can see, there is a negative integer and a positive integer. We can also write it as plus 5 minus 2, as it's easier for us to calculate it than to add negatively. So 5 minus 2 will give you 3. Negative 2 plus 5 will also give you 3. Question 3. Let's say we have negative 2 minus 5. Now we see that a positive and a negative and a negative will give you a positive. Therefore, negative 2 plus 5 will give you 3. 5 minus negative 2 will also give you 3. Question 4. Let's say the question is negative 2 plus negative 5. We know that a positive and a negative will give us a negative. Therefore, negative 2 minus negative 5 will give us negative 7. Let's look at the next question. Negative 3 multiplied by, in brackets, negative 5 times 5 minus 4 plus negative 6 in brackets. The first step that we'll be doing is calculating the equations inside the brackets. So negative 3, a negative times a positive will give you a negative. 5 times 5 is 25. Minus 4 plus negative 6. We already know that a positive and a negative will give you a negative. 4 minus 6 will give you negative 2. Negative 3 times negative 25, a negative multiplied by a negative will give you positive. 3 times 25 will give you 75. Minus multiplied by a minus will give you a positive 2. Therefore, your answer will be 77. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it if you subscribe down below and give my video a thumbs up. See you guys next time.